We're rolling. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I just want to say thank you for the support and the views and the subscribers that have recently subscribed to the channel. It really does help a lot, and to say thanks to almost 900, maybe by the time this video goes live it might be 900 of you guys. I'm doing another video. It's what, like the third video in less than 2 weeks that I'm about to post. So obviously your boy is dedicated. I'm gonna go for a quick drive down some good roads. Hopefully it's not too busy. It's the middle of the day. I got a day off, and then I'm gonna park up and show you quickly around the car. So yeah, as soon as this van goes past, let's get right into it. We're in traction or DSC off, so basically on my own. So yeah, one thing I will say about traction off, I do actually prefer how it drives, obviously when it's decent weather, because well, you do get all the power without any obviously interference, but obviously that comes as a bit of a hit or miss. If it's raining or it's bad weather, you are gonna have to slow down and be careful. But obviously it's a dry day, it's the middle of summer, or it's at least started summer. Hopefully this doesn't pop and bang too much because of the horse, sorry. But yeah, basically I prefer how it drives in DSC off, because it feeds the power in a lot more gradual. It's not on or off where it is like with Sports Plus. It's when I'm in Sports Plus, obviously the back end can kick out, it can do what it wants to without doing a full 360, because we don't want that now, do we, guys? But traction off is obviously, if you bin it, that's it. Nothing's gonna stave you. I have noticed as well, when you brake kind of hard in DSC off, it does get a bit front endy, and back end can go a little loose when you are planting your foot on the middle pedal. However, like I say, when it's driving just casually, or not casually, sorry, when you are gunning it, it's like, it's not in Sports Plus, it's like bah, whap, and then that's it. But it also seems to die off a little bit mid-range in Sports Plus, which is, I don't know if that's an illusion or whether it is, but when it's in DSC, it's like gradual all the way to like 6, and then it's a bit flat from 6 to 7, but at that point you're already touching like max power, at least for a stock car. But yeah, I do prefer how it drives in DSC off. What was I saying about traffic? I might even do a quick spin around on this this junction, because these roads are pretty good, and then I can go back to the spot where we were a minute ago and then show you around the car, or I might have to pull up somewhere later on and do it, because we are stuck behind a caravan at the minute, which is not ideal really, is it? Trying to do a video. Didn't they get the memo? Like, come on, we're nearly at 900 subscribers. What are you doing? With that being said, if you are enjoying these videos, there's plenty more to come, so please do consider subscribing, drop a like, drop a comment. I reply to all the comments as long as they're not negative, so do with that as you will. I am actually going to go a different route, because might even get the back end out here. Oh, here we go. So yeah, as I was saying, please do consider subscribing. Let me know what you want to see as well, because I'm always open for video ideas, what you guys want to see, what you guys don't want to see, what you like, what you don't like, blah blah blah, get to know me, blah, whatever. So yeah, the weather's been kind of nice recently here, not too much rain. However, I haven't been out much because I'm trying to lose a little bit of fat. I know in time for summer, it's already summer, but so I've been riding my bike a lot more. Not only has it been saving me the dinero, but it's been helping me lose a little bit of stomach fat. Basically, that's me most days, that woman riding the bike. But yeah, God, you know I'm rambling now because I'm just talking out my behind. I'm gonna find a quick place to pull up. I think I can pull up on one of these roads down here in a minute. Just after we get out this 30, I'll shoot down and do a quick national speed limit pull. But yeah, I can't really complain. I've been enjoying making these videos for you. You guys seem to have enjoying them, sorry, which is always good. It's good to know that my effort isn't going unwanted, because obviously I do like posting on Instagram from time to time, but I honestly prefer making videos, especially ones that I can make really quickly. It just means I don't have to faff about doing loads of edits, lots of editing. I can just bang a video out, let you guys enjoy it, and crack on with everything else I need to do in the day. Because when I'm not at work, when I am at work, my days can be quite long, because I've got, obviously, get up early, go to the gym, work out, eat, and then straight to work, and then I've got like another maybe 3 hours before I'm absolutely knackered and it's bedtime for me, ready for it all again. But that's just the way it is at the minute. I can't complain though. I do enjoy this pigeon. I do enjoy being busy. It does keep me on my toes. And yeah, I think up on this road I'm gonna pull up on one of the side streets and get out and show you what the car's looking like, in case you're new to the channel and haven't seen the car. There's another horse there, so I'm not going to send it. I will, however, go down here, mind the pothole. This probably isn't the best lane, to be fair, because not only do I not know where it goes, but it's very thin, so if another car comes, I'm kind of screwed. But yeah, I'm going to keep this one short and sweet, just another POV for you guys. And there's nowhere to pull up. There's usually passing places on these tight bends, but that's someone's drive, so I can't park there. Same again. We will find somewhere, even if it means I have to pause the video. Try not to though. Just a quick question for you guys as well. What do you prefer? What do you actually like about these videos? Is it the POV style, or is it the car, or is it both? Like, would you guys want to see more POVs, or do you just want to see the car? Because like, I'm trying to find out what you guys want to see from the channel. To be fair, I could have gone there. Like, I want to know what it is you actually enjoy about these videos. Is it the BMW, or is it the POV style of videos? Because if it's the POV style of videos, I can do plenty more of those, whether it's on a bike, in a different car, in this car again. Obviously, this is the bread and butter of the channel. I've never been down this road, to be fair. Oh, could have stopped there. Might have to go back. Yeah, I'm just interested in knowing what you guys actually enjoy about these videos, whether it's the angle or the actual content, or whether it's just me rambling. Because if it is just me rambling, fair enough, you can listen to me ramble all day and it doesn't even matter what I'm on, you know what I mean? So I'll quickly, I know I probably shouldn't pull up here because it's a bit of a sticky one still. Just gonna quickly get out and then we'll end the video there. Hopefully not too many people pass, because I look like a numpty right now with this on my head. So yeah, I'll quickly hop out and walk you around the vehicle. So obviously that's it from the front. Still looking tidy. It's actually looking quite clean for once, even though it wasn't not too long ago. The stock tips are back on. There's a bit of work needs doing on the side, but other than that, she's still looking nice. Hopefully don't get ran over. This might even be the thumbnail, but yeah, I'm gonna end it there, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. I'm gonna go shoot back home, upload this real quick, and then, like I said earlier, I'm gonna work on this 6-pack because I've got time off, so I might go for a good 20-mile bike ride. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you didn't, let me know why. If you did, obviously subscribe, drop a like, it means the world to me, and I'll catch you, and me and Ducky will get home safe in the next one. Peace.